take a look at some settings that are, well, a little bit, I'm not too upset about it, but I mean, it would be nice if we got to pick during install. So here's where I found them. If you click the Start button, go into Settings. These are settings related to Windows Update. So I'm going to go to Update and Security, Windows Update, Recovery, and Backup. When we go in there, we have Windows Update settings, as well as Windows Defender, Backup, Recovery, Activation, and stuff that we have here for developers. So related to Windows Update, previously, I have my Windows Update to download automatically, but don't install until I chose. Well, it seems that after I install Windows 10, it automatically switched that setting without asking me. So if I go to Windows Update, really all I have here is check for updates, and away we go. If you click Advanced Options, you get a few more interesting ones in here. So first of all, you have Automatic, which is what it's set to. Or you can notify to schedule a restart. This came up, actually. I never would have noticed it, but I would come back to my PC the next day, and all of my apps would be closed, and I'd have document recovery in a few of the apps, as well as my browser tabs and things like that, which would restore the session, but it was noticeable that my computer had been shut off through the night. So we can set this to notify to schedule a restart. And then it says you'll be asked to schedule a restart upon installing updates. Okay, which is good, sure. Next problem that I ran into is choose how updates are delivered. So in the same screen, we can say choose how updates are delivered, and there's a few little weird things in here. So it says download Windows Update and apps from other PCs in addition to Microsoft. This can speed up app and update downloads, which I understand it could speed it up. However, what it means is that when you download an update, technically your computer now could be used to upload that update and essentially deliver it to another computer, much like a torrent is delivered. So that doesn't sit okay with me, because maybe we pay for bandwidth and internet connection. And if that's the case, then we got to change this setting. And so what we can do here is it says when this is turned on, your PC may also send parts of previously downloaded Windows updates and apps to PCs on your local network or PCs on the internet, depending on what's selected below. So we could turn this off, then we don't have to even worry about it. If I want it on, and I do have quite a few computers within my home network here, so I could say just PCs on my local network instead of PCs on my local network and PCs on the internet, which kind of broadens the spectrum here. So I would definitely consider changing this to either off or just PCs on your local network. So those are a few settings that you might want to take a look at with Windows Update that really it didn't ask you during an install, unless I missed them in there, but something to definitely take a look at if you do roll out and start using Windows 10.